I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring to the people that pour into you, because life is so short. As you can tell from the title, it's a pack with me. And y'all will be so proud. Today is Monday. My flight leaves on Friday morning, and I'm already on the ball. So by Thursday, I'll have my hair done. So I got my hair stuff together. Cause I'm getting boho knotless. I have a long bonnet, and then I have the long shower bonnet too. I thought it was pink because the box, I was so disgusted in that hair store. The box has a pink thing on it, but I guess I didn't look deeper to see this hospital color. That's a long one for the shower, so don't get me hair wet. Like short almost. So I got that and this for my hair, and also I got my age control. And don't judge me because I was on the road and I did not want to stop and have to go back out to a store. So I had an empty container of powder. So I put my age control in here in this Lord Mercy apron. It's the same difference. And I put a little label on it. Edges. I got this Brother label maker from Walmart. I use it for everything. So that's my hair stuff on. I got some Sulfur 8 braid spray. I got Sulfur 8 labeled on it. Because I suffer with dandruff. I think it's seborrheic dermatitis, but my dermatologist appointment ain't until 2027 because that's the quickest they could get me in. Disgusted about that. Anywho. So that's all the hair stuff. And that's purposely all the hair stuff that I wanted to take because I'm getting braids. So I didn't want to have to worry about doing hair or nothing like that. It's going to be hot and too much going on. So as far as other toiletries, bath stuff, I have, of course, I have my Dove body wash label. And I decided that I was only going to do one scent the whole trip, and that's gonna be my Chanel Entendre. So the body wash that I'm pairing with it this trip is Champagne Toast. So I put some Champagne Toast in this bottle because I got 4 of these. I bought them when they was on clearance. And I said I wasn't buying a travel size, I'm gonna just put it in here. So I got that. So that's bath stuff. Lotion wise, it's in the living room, so I'll show you that. I just ordered it, so I gotta open the box, but I got a travel size Bath & Body Works, the Champagne Toast lotion, and the Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast spray, so I can layer. And then I ordered, I'm gonna do the Chanel Entendre Dupe, the floral grapefruit from Dossier. I'm waiting on that to come in the mail. I think it's supposed to be here tomorrow. But I got my Vaseline, and then we have, wait, did I not put the other Vaseline in there? I've gotta take my Golden Hour Glow. So let me find another container. I think the neighbors think I'm selling dope. So this was a little spell, but I can take this off and rinse this out and put it in there. And I'm shortening my skincare. I'm not taking my full routine, just gonna keep it light for the trip. See how much I'm trying to condense. If you're an overpacker, I've been trying so hard lately to make sure that I pack what I actually need and to incorporate using travel stuff. So that's what I'm doing now. So I got my suntan lotion, I got my skincare, my makeup remover stuff, my wipes and cotton pads and cotton swabs, got my pills, even though the only thing that I'm taking is my heartburn medicine and my medroprogesterone because it's going to start at the beginning of the month. Deodorant, of course, but I'll show y'all everything once we start actually packing. But are y'all excited? Because I am. Oh, and I got my clothes laid out, so let's go in the living room and I'll show you. So I'm still finalizing, but y'all, look how much progress I made. These are literally all my outfits. So once I start actually packing, I'll go through what I'm wearing. Let's go back over here, actually. But I feel like I did so good, and I'll show you all the stuff that I bought, too. We'll do a little haul. But this is the Bath & Body Works stuff. That's some more stuff I got from Amazon. This is the hair. All the stuff, some shoes, and stuff from the Nova. It's a whole lot going on right now, but it is Monday. Look how much progress I made, y'all. Y'all should be proud of me. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I got in the mail. Let me turn this other light on. So I placed an order with Bath & Body Works. Some of this stuff is for the trip and some of this stuff was for So this is the pink obsessed. So I got the body spray and the lotion. I've been wanting this for a while and they haven't had it in stock. Got my favorite champagne toast and got a matching lotion. And then I got some travel minis of the champagne toast because that's my fragrance for the weekend. So that's what I got from Bath and Body Works. I have a lot to put in trash. This is trash as well. I got some stuff from Amazon. I got a little neck fan. This one got some power. And I have my handheld fan too, so who ain't gonna be cool? I got that. And then I ordered these Perfume travel tingers. So basically you put the finger over the perfume and you siphon it out like you still in gas. How do I do it? Oh, see, it has a little thing on the bottom. How that work? What are the instructions? I just feel like I'm gonna mess this up. Oh, you have to take the top off the perfume and then do it. I got it. So I got that. This is unrelated, but y'all know how TikTok do those auctions now? I got this from the little TikTok shop auctions. It's a Daisy by Marc Jacobs gift set. And it has a full-size perfume in it. Guess how much I paid for this? Full-size, gravel size, and a lotion. Guess how much? $80. That's it. Who didn't get a deal? Ooh, I want to put it in this place. Let's keep going. I got this stool from Amazon. I think I opened it. I showed it to you already. But basically you just, wait, come on now. I need my nails to be a little shorter. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Basically you open it up and you can sit on it and I can carry it like this. See? Then I also got some stuff from Fashion Nova. I think I showed that to y'all already, did I? I got these sandals, Fashion Nova, really cute. I got this face bling, got this from Amazon. It came in a pack of 6. I don't know which, I'm probably gonna use this one. That one is the cutest. But I need to get some body glue to make sure that it stays. I'm probably gonna use that one. But I'm gonna take them out just in case. Got these earrings, feel like they go perfectly. Got this Fanny Pack from Amazon. The earrings came from Amazon as well. Got these shoes to match my costume from Walmart. I can wear these or I can wear my neon Yeezys. I haven't decided which ones I want to wear yet. But I got those. And then I got these from Fashion Nova. Some cute little sandals. I got this shirt from Fashion Nova. This little cute white shirt. And I got this little 2-piece bathing suit from, well, it's a 3-piece from Fashion Nova. These are the shorts. So cute. It's supposed to be a pink swim party, but that's not happening anymore. So Mamie still wants to go to the pool anyway, so I'll have that in case, and it comes with a little cardigan too, or a little cover up. And I got 2 boxes in today, so let's open those. I also got some, like this way. I got some stuff from Fashion Nova that don't fit, so I have to send that back. So this is Perfume from Dossier, Floral Grapefruit, which is a dupe for Chanel Entendre. My favorite scent currently, but Dossier now has the dupe, so I got 2 of those. That's what I'm gonna take on the trip with me, so I'll have those. What is it? I got that. And then I ordered a few little tidbits. This is a shirt that I ordered. Let's see. It was mixed reviews. Oh, it's cute, and it's a soft shirt. I'm gonna cut it in the front. It says, "Mas tequila." Me no drink no tequila, but the shirt cute, and it'll go with the outfit. So that's gonna work, but I'm gonna cut it. Give it a little boob. It's cute. That exceeds my expectations. I ordered some of these to wash my lashes. I don't know what these are actually called. Cosmetic brushes, but I ordered these. I also ordered some more of the spoolies, because I don't want to just keep using the same spoolie over and over. I ordered a new tripod for my camera and my phone, an extendable one. I just have some scissors. There they go. Where's the phone part? You didn't have the phone part. Or is it inside? How do you do it? Ain't come with no instructions. Don't stress me out now. But there's no holder for the phone, which is the whole point. I need to be able to hold my phone and my camera. I do have this piece from my old one, so I can use that if need be. I had to put the screen protector, but the thing back on it. Oh, that's very sturdy, like that. Then it extends. That's pretty high. That's pretty tall. It's past this one right now. perfect. And it also doubles as a baton. And also I got a light, another one. Cause I don't know what the other one is. Now, I don't have the capacity right now to look for it. And it has a clip. How does it charge? And I love that everything takes USB-C now. Everything. So I don't have to have a million different chargers. Just use the same old one. Is it already charged up a little bit? Perfect. This will be good just for, that's perfect. And the last thing I got is a travel mirror. And this would be the one thing that takes a regular USB. That's aggravating. I need a good travel mirror because makeup is gonna be serious on this trip. It ain't charged a lick. Let me charge it up. So that completes everything that I've ordered. I'm gonna cut this shirt. Oh, it fits good too. Ooh, I love the way this feels. It's a little too gappy at the bottom, but I'm gonna cut like this. Yeah, probably just straight down the middle, like this. It's gonna work out. So right now, I'm about to go ahead and pack up these toiletries. I'm gonna pack up the toiletries. Oh, let's see if I can do the perfume thing. Let me see how it smells. It smells exactly like it. So I think I'll take that top off and put this on there. Oh, it is working. That's cool. I'll probably just take this anyway, but I'll have this to put in my purse. Cause I like to spray perfume. This smells so good. Top back on. So trying to figure out face stuff goes in one, smell good stuff goes in one, and I think body wash and stuff going in another. Everything is labeled to a T. I'm trying to put the pill one in. Smell good stuff I'll put in here because it's not that much of it. Smell good and lotion, and then body wash. What's this? Oh, this is for my hair. I need one for my hair too. I'll put the toothpaste in there with that. Should I put this in here? Maybe I should put lotion. Oh, I forgot the stuff on Walmart too. Is that still in the car? I think so. Let me go for the car. We got about that. Okay. 2 pairs of contacts, some flushable white, mouthwash, and this goes in my bag. One of these. And spoolie. Now I need one for my hair. Stuff. Got another bag. My Mario Badescu. What's this hiding? Oh, that's my edge control. This is my sofa aid. Shower bonnet. Fit in here or do I have to switch it in? Oh, good. Alright, so all that is packed. Oh my god, y'all. I don't leave till Friday. And look at me packing. I got that feeling. Bam. Let me try this on and wash this pillowcase. That's it for the bathroom toiletries. Now I ain't gonna put it in a suitcase yet because I need to go through it and make sure for sure that I got everything. So I gave up the eyeshadow, gave it all the way up because I was looking like a lady of the evening. I did get this eye pigment metallic. So I'm gonna try that, and then I got some. All right, disregard this side, but I think we got a look, y'all. So I'm about to go through my makeup now, and I might wash my brushes tomorrow. I'm gonna wash my brushes tomorrow, so I'm gonna start packing up my makeup now. I recorded this whole packing video. Well, I thought I did, but I didn't. So now I'm aggravated. But I started at 9:30. It is now 9:48. Everything fits in these 2 suitcases. The reason I'm taking 2 is because I might have stuff to bring back, and I know I have to bring the costume back, so I wanted to make sure I had room and that nothing would be overweight, or if I went shopping, I had plenty of room as well. I'm trying to see if I can fit all these drawers in here. Barely. I think I have something bigger. I can't believe I recorded that, or thought I recorded it and didn't. Like, that's aggravating, but this ain't no better. Oh, it is a little better actually. Just so they don't rifle through my drawers. I'm sure they'll open it if they need to, but yeah, the suitcase is not full. I'm proud of myself. I probably could have fit everything into one suitcase, but I don't want to have to worry about having enough room to bring stuff back. So I'm taking 2. And all I have to do now, take a shower, skincare, and just wait for it to be time to go. We're flying out of Colombia, so I'm going to drive to the airport, which is only an hour and some change away. So after I get my shower and skincare, take me a little nap. And I know I was supposed to be packed already, but hair ran a little later than anticipated, and I edited 2 videos as well so that I... Alright, so I am packed and ready to go. I'm taking my shower, got my clothes on, and we are about to hit the road. I ain't did no edges, but I'll do that later. Something about this color ain't right. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Oh no, it's not giving. Ew. I almost forgot my charger. See, the color ain't right. I'm gonna have to fix my settings. That's gonna blow me. But I already put my, no I didn't. I was in the line say I put my suitcase in the car. My suitcase is right here. So let's put the suitcases in the car. Y'all, it was at this moment that I realized the audio had went out. My camera has just been giving me a time, but I'm gonna get it together. But just like that, we are packed and ready to go, y'all. I got everything loaded up in the car, and now it's officially time to head to the airport because your girl is going to Canada. So I hope y'all enjoyed packing with me and getting ready for this trip. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know what you think I have planned for this Canada trip. Also, most importantly, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it because I'm taking y'all with me. So thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Meet y'all in Canada. Love you guys. Bye.